Good morning, students. Let us understand illustration 33. Arun and Aurora were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Their fixed capital on 1st April 2010 were Arun 60,000, Aurora 80,000. They agreed to allowed interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum. So 12% on 60,000 and 80,000 will be their interest on capital. Interest on capital, if you calculate in working note, you will find that opening capital is 60,000, 80,000, and rate of interest is 12% per annum. So interest on capital will become 72,000 and 9,600. Total interest on capital of both the partners will be 16,800. So after that it is written in the question that and to charge and charge on drawings at the rate of 15% per annum. They agreed to allow interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum and to charge on drawing at the rate of 15% per annum. 15% is the interest on drawings. Now profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2011 before all above adjustments was 12,600. Profit of the firm. This is the profit of the firm before all above adjustments, that is interest on capital and interest on drawings, is 12,600. Drawings made by the Arun were 2,000 and by Aurora 4,000 during the year. This is the total amount of drawing. So interest on drawing will be calculated at the rate of 15% per annum. So interest on drawing Arun and Aurora will be calculated as follows. In working note 2 you may find that amount of drawing is 2,000 and 4,000. This is the total amount of drawing for the whole year. And rate of interest is 15% per annum. And you know that if nothing is mentioned, then we calculate interest on drawing on an average basis for 6 months on the total amount of drawing for the year. So interest on drawing will be calculated for 6 months, that is 2000 into 15 by 100 into 6 by 12. This will become 150, and 4000 into 15 by 100 into 6 by 12. For 6 months interest on drawings will be calculated. It is also mentioned in the note, since the date of drawing are not given, interest will be charged for average period of 6 months. Now we have calculated the interest on drawing and interest on capital. Now read the question carefully. At the end of the question it is written that prepare profit and loss appropriation account and of Arun and Aurora. Show your calculations clearly. The interest on capital will be allowed even if the firm incurs a loss. Even if the firm incurs a loss, it means that interest on capital will be treated as charge against profit. So you know that if once in any item of transaction between partner and firm is treated as charge against profit, then it is debited to profit and loss account. And profit and loss account, preparation of profit and loss account is not in our syllabus. So instead of preparing profit and loss account, we shall deduct this interest on capital, total amount of interest on capital that we have calculated, and that is 16,800 from the profit earned. And you know that before all above adjustments the profit was 12,600. So out of this 12,600 we are to deduct 16,800 as interest on capital. So this profit, this is an inadequate profit, and since it is a charge against profit, interest on capital is a charge against profit, so whole amount of interest on capital will be deducted from this profit, even if the profit gets converted into loss. So in this case we can understand that the profit has converted into loss. So the note has been written over here, 16,800 minus 12,600, that is 4,200 is the loss. Note is mentioned over here, interest on capital is a charge against profit and is debited to profit and loss account. Thus, the loss of 4,200, that is 16,800 minus 12,600, is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. And since it is a loss, it will be transferred to debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account as to profit and loss account, net loss 4,200. And now you are required to provide interest on drawing, and you know that interest on drawing comes to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. And since they are maintaining fixed capital, the question mentioned that fixed capital is maintained, therefore it implies that the partners are maintaining their capital account under fixed method, so they must be maintaining current account also, and interest on drawing will go to current account. So Arun's current account and Aurora's current account will be debited with 150 and 300 interest on drawing which we have calculated, so total 450. And then the loss has decreased from 4,200 to 3,750, which will be distributed in their PSR, that is 5:3. So their current account will be debited by the amount of loss, the amount of their share in loss. In illustration 35, you can very well attempt it. Only one thing that I am going to give you a hint regarding A's commission. Here in illustration 34, it is written that A is to receive commission at the rate of 10% on distributable profit, not on net profit, on distributable profit. And you know that distributable profit is calculated after providing for all appropriations like interest on capital, salary, commission, transfer to reserves. So distributable profit you are required to calculate first, and then A's commission will be 10% on distributable profit after charging such commission. So his commission will also be charged after charging. His commission will also be charged from the distributable profit, then only he will be allowed commission. So the formula will be, first you will calculate distributable profit and then you will multiply 10 by 110, and you know distributable profit will be calculated in this manner: the net profit transferred from PL account plus interest on drawing minus general reserve minus interest on capital minus partner salary. This will be the distributable profit, and that will be multiplied by 10 by 110 in order to calculate the interest on in order to calculate the A's commission. So you try it at your home, illustration 33 and illustration 34.